Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the spinning animation on CapCut PC. So select your picture of like anything. I'm just going to use this picture of like a bowling ball. It doesn't have to be this, of course. And then I'm also going to adjust the time frame on this. Add a keyframe here on position and size, and like go to the end of your like clip. Then move the image here and then rotate it a few times. If you want the motion to be faster, rotate it a lot of times. If you want it to be slower, don't do it a lot. I think this is like the perfect rotation. I don't know how many times I rotated it, but just like adjust it to your liking. But that's basically it. It is super simple. Let me just like add in like a background under that, and I might like add in shadow to give it a little bit of depth to it. You don't have to. Then you'll like have to do it with the with the bowling ball. But I'm just going to actually just add a line here, feather that out a little bit. Oops, that's very like there. Oh, because it moves, I guess. I don't know, just do a better shadow than I did, and like a better background for it, of course. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!